Hey, I wanted to share a quick video with you just showing you what it looks like when I'm optimizing my video on YouTube and using Tubebuddy for the Tag Explorer tool. So this is what it looks like when I'm editing the video that I've already uploaded. And if you look in the title, I always put the song name of the cover that I'm doing and then the original artist or the writer, whatever people would be searching for. So I have the song name by the artist, and then I'll look for different tags like what people would be searching for. So I tried different things initially to put this up there. I probably started with guitar cover or acoustic guitar cover, and I add those so it's a longer title. You have 100 characters here, so you can put in several keywords, and I would say to use it however you can. So I would put the song title, the artist, and then if you're playing acoustic guitar, you could put acoustic guitar. For this video specifically, I added the chords, and that adds value for people that are wanting to learn the song. So it's a chord tutorial as well. I put the chords on the screen as I'm playing it, and people can watch along to learn. Worship cover was another great keyword added on to this song name, and I'll show you what it looks like in the tags. But first, I wanted to show you that I put those in the title every time. I put them in the first few sentences of the description as well. That helps to be ranked. And then if you see over on the right, actually, if you can do this with future videos, I put the song name and the artist in the file name of the video as well. So that's just the metadata that tells YouTube, yes, this is what people are looking for, and it shows it to more people. So if I scroll down, this is in the edit video mode, it'll show you your tags. And with Tubebuddy, it's already installed here, so I can double click on any of these tags and it will show up and show the ranking for anyone. It says it's a good ranking, 58 out of 100. And then there's a weighted score as well that shows what the score is for my channel. So for my channel, this is a good keyword. It's 53 out of 100. And then if you see on the right here, it shows you other searches and keywords that you can play around with, and you can click this explore button to show you your score for your channel on any keyword. So this one is build my life, house fires, acoustic cover, and then it'll show you different ones. You can look at web searches, and I might try acoustic guitar cover and see how that comes up. And that might show that it's a bad keyword. It's better to just go with guitar cover. And so I might do worship guitar cover or worship cover and see how those are. So I just explore with different ones, and then I keep the good ones. So if it is a good keyword and it shows me, okay, this is going to work well for your channel, you can go down to action and then select insert into current video. Or you can copy and paste into your tag. So that's two ways you can add it to the video, and it will show you your rankings for your keywords after it's published here. It'll show you where you're ranking for each of those keywords. And my goal is to use the 500 characters down here and use all the tags that I can rank for, because that will be showing up on the first page for that search. If someone goes to YouTube and starts typing in build my life, house fires, acoustic cover, my video is going to show up. And I'm waiting for my search rankings to load here. They may or may not load, but hopefully you can see it'll show up with a little green circle and a number. And the number is what video you are on the first page. So if it has a 3, you're the third video that shows up for that search. And this can change over time too. You can actually go back to old videos and optimize them with tags like this and get them to rank, even if they're old videos. And so for example, I want to go over to this cover right here. It just says, here I am to worship in the title. And so what I would do is to go into edit your details, go to the title. I would say, here I am to worship, and then have the artist. So you could put by Tim Hughes. And then you could also have acoustic guitar cover, and you could have worship cover. So try a few different things. Here I am to worship, guitar cover, things like that you can add to your tags. Also right here in the category, instead of being in people and blogs, when you're in that edit video mode, you can change the category to music, because you want it to show up with music when people are looking to listen to music. So that's another thing that I would change while you're editing. But I would put that keyword in your title and also in the description here. I would say the song name again, the artist again, and say, hey, this is my cover. This is my guitar cover. I hope you enjoy it. You can say it in a conversational way, but just use the keywords there. And then something that I do every time I post a video or when I update a video, I will share it to wherever I can. So I would create a post and that shares it to anyone that's subscribed to you on YouTube. You can share it to Twitter. I share it to Pinterest and LinkedIn and Facebook. Anywhere you have a social media presence, you can share this, and then people that know you can watch it. And that shows YouTube that it's a good video and it will push it out to more people. So that's a few things that you can do to optimize your video, your covers, so it can go from a few views to lots of views, because people are searching for this song. They're searching for guitar covers and they want to find different versions of it. And so you just have to play around with the keywords and see which ones work best for your channel. And then what I do is once I have a lot of videos and I've had some out for a while, I'll go back to the top 10 and I'll see, okay, which ones are most popular, which ones are people really liking, and then I'll do more like that. So I hope that helps, and I want to encourage you to use the TubeBuddy tools here. And if you don't have TubeBuddy already, you can go to tubebuddy.com/Lydia and sign up for an account. The free account works great, and they also have a paid account with extra features, but I've used this Keyword Explorer and really enjoyed it. If you want to try it out for free, you can go to tubebuddy.com/Lydia, Lydia, and sign up for free. I hope that's helpful, and I can't wait to see what you put out into the world.